Well, as you head on about today, maybe you're going to the Freedom Trail and walking near or past, the big buildings downtown. Maybe it gives you a new appreciation of architecture. I don't know. The weather, I'm really appreciative of this warm up as our temperatures are in the 50s today. That's nice. That's a nice little break. And you don't need as many layers, or you don't need to have the kids in as many layers as you take them out to the park and get the energy out too, as we're nice and dry this afternoon. The busy pattern continues though, as we have mostly night events through the end of this week. Mild to cold, 50s to high temps in the 20s with a late week winter blast. Christmas, it looks quiet for now. Not a white Christmas. Looks likely at this point in time. Stay tuned. It can change. It can change. Rainfall since yesterday, we picked up anywhere from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of rain across southern New England, with some areas just north of Boston barely even 1/10 of an inch. Well, we'll take what we can get as we still have that big rainfall deficit and drought conditions continue, but we're chipping away at that each and every time we get this little surge of rainfall. So that little surge of rain came in from a quick moving area of low pressure to our north, and that's exiting offshore at the moment. We now have some sunshine and our temperatures reaching the highs already, 57 in Boston, 56 in Plymouth, with some more 50s across the Cape and Islands, where there you have some lower visibility and lingering clouds and a gusty wind too. Overnight lows back in the 30s. There will be some slick spots as we go outside of 495. New icy spots developing too as things perhaps refreeze. But then we thaw out again on Wednesday with more highs in the 40s and 50s, near 50 degrees again around Greater Boston. We turn towards our next storm system though. As soon as we get used to the dry weather, here comes another area of low pressure. This one bringing in some snow across the mountains and ski areas, but not so much for Boston. It's going to be mostly rain. That cutoff is rather sharp. We've lowered the chance for snow potential, plus it is trending warmer. Therefore, even the Route 2 corridor won't see much in terms of snowfall potential. And then anything we get will actually stay in place because the colder air takes over by Thursday. Talking about how much snow we can see anywhere really across southern New Hampshire is where you have that line of rain to the south and snow to the north, only a coating to 1 inch of slushy, sloppy snowfall potential, very water loaded. It's not the fluffy, nice stuff that we can see sometimes when you get lots of deep cold air. That's not the case. So we get a little bit of snow up north in the mountains. That's where we like to see it anyway. And then by Friday, another area of low pressure is tracking nearby. This one so far is trending a little farther offshore, but there's a little sneaky chance at the potential of some light wintry mixed chances south and east. Also a Norland trough. So this is something that comes up on occasion, and it can give us some enhancement with snowfall potential in this case. Saturday, a chance for some of those snow showers could be along the coast, and even ocean effect enhancement too across the outer Cape and Islands. So that's why you see on the 10-day forecast a chance for at least some flurries. That can change though, very subjective until it comes down to that day. So we'll keep you updated. But as we look ahead to next week, it is very quiet for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Hanukkah begins. It's a busy, busy next several days.
All right. I love it, Pamela.